Hey everyone, friends, welcome to the Valar channel. Today I'll show you how to create automatic chapters for your YouTube videos. To do this, go to YouTube, click on your channel, then click YouTube Studio. Here, click on Content and select the video you need. You can create automatic chapters. To do this, scroll down here and you'll see an icon for automatic chapters. Just check this box and chapters will be automatically created for each of your videos. That is, if it's longer than 10 seconds. You can also add chapters manually. To do this, simply write timestamps in the description. Yes, the time when these chapters will appear. The first one must start at 0 seconds. So, for example, we write chapters. Yes, chapters. And we start with 00 to 011. It should be at least 10 seconds, but I use 11, just to be safe. So here we write introduction, yes, intro, and then save the video. And so chapters will be created on the video. There, well, these changes need time to save. Yes, there should be at least a few chapters, I think, at least 3, yes. So that's how you need to do it, 3. That is 011. Yes, the 022, let's say middle, yes, or and then 022, 033. Yes, so you just create chapters for yourself this way. That's it. This was Velar. Hit like, subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.